Hi everybody, this is Joe Jurek and welcome back to Joe Jurek's Real Estate Investing Adventures. How you doing today? Are you having a good time? Is it a weekday or is it the weekend? Well, I tell you, in real estate, every day can be a weekend if you want it to be. You got to get out there, you got to make it happen. But what I want to suggest to you, why not take a pool day, take a fun day, go to the beach, go to the movies, do something fun. It's time to recharge your batteries. Take one day off if you need to, 2 days off if you need to. But here's the problem, you take more than 3 days off, I feel you might have put your real estate investing on the shelf, and I don't want you to put the real estate investing on the shelf. So what I'd like you to do is make time to recharge your batteries, be fresh, get out there, make it happen. Take a pool day, take a relaxation day. That way it also helps you to clear your mind. The other challenge that I want you to do is right after you do that, write out 10 reasons why you want this in your life, why you want this to happen. Maybe you're looking for additional income. Maybe you're looking to leave your job. Maybe you're looking at trying to help family, charities, college tuition, yourself, child, grandchild, whoever, okay? So if you know the reason why you're doing it, if you feel fresh every day, I want you to have a lot of passion, I want you to have energy, and I want you to make it happen. So until next time, aloha from Maui, Hawaii. Believe and achieve. Make your dreams a reality. Bye-bye.